guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can whiten your teeth on a video in CapCut PC. So she has a natural beautiful smile anyway, and pretty teeth, but I'm just showing you guys as an example. If you want your teeth to show really white, you can do this trick in CapCut PC. So go to Enhance, Checklist Face, and you can whiten your teeth here. This is to make it super white, and this one's to make it kind of white but not that white. If you like it more natural, don't add too much. I think this is enough, in the middle right here. But if you want it to be super white, you can, but it does look unnatural and looks just I don't know, veneers, I guess. So if you want it to look a bit more natural, maybe put it up to 50. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!